Hello guys, কেমন আছো সবাই? Welcome to my channel, and today is the second part of the HTML section. Earlier, if you have not watched that video, please go and watch that. And today we will be talking about some more elements. Okay, so let's see my documentation. This is my documentation. So earlier we have talked about the headings, paragraphs, links, HTML attribute, source attribute, alt attribute, and today we will be talking about the HTML styles. So basically there are lots of styles. I picked up some essential ones for you. So first of all, we will be doing an HTML style. So, and the HTML style is an attribute. Okay, so you want to place a background color. Okay, so what background color? If I want to put a background color, so first of all I want to go to my HTML file, and this is the title. I give it my page 2. Okay, this is my title, and I have to, this is the, so over here I want to style it. Remember that you have to do it in your opening tag only. Okay, so over here you have to just write background color, and I'm taking it as green. Okay, green, and let's put something in our background. So I will be taking some paragraph. Wait, I have to text some, like some, I take some random text. For that I'm taking a lorem ipsum. Okay, this is the something, some text I will be taking like this. Okay, I will be doing this. Okay, I am taking this as, let's copy it and paste it over here. This is my paragraph. Okay, and now it's save, and let's check it there. See, this is the how my background changes to green color. You can also change some more colors you want to do. So now we will be talking about the next attribute. It's a text color. We can also change the attribute of a paragraph or a text which we are taking, or a heading also. So here I have taken a paragraph, so I want to change the style over here, and I will put here text color. Okay, so text color, sorry, there is no, like, we can simply write color only, and like it I will make it red. And let's save it and check it now. Let's refresh the page and see it has turned red now. So let's move to the next one. So I want to tell you something. If anybody want to buy domain or websites or hosting, you can go and visit the Drishti consultancy services, because they provide domains and hostings and premium themes of WordPress at a very reasonable and a cheap price than it is originally placed in GoDaddy. Okay, please check my description box and go and connect with them. So we will be talking about the fonts. There are different types of fonts. Okay, the CSS font family defines the font to be used in an HTML element. Like, I want to change this font, so I will check this as, okay, font family. It is also a style, so I will just write style and write font family, and I will take it as Vartana. Okay, and save it, and now you will see the changes. Okay, there are no changes. Okay, I want to change it is as font family as Courier. Now save it, and let's see this change. So we need to do this, like font family, it's Courier red, and I was mistaken because I was doing it outside the quotes. So you can also change the font size also. If I want to change the font size, okay, I am taking it as 100 px, and you can save it, and you can now check it. Okay, see, this is, the size has increased to 100 px, so I will be removing this. It's okay. Now we will be talking about some attributes like, let's check it now, and sorry, okay, let's do it. No, it's okay. Now we will be doing some paragraphs, and now we will be talking about some HTML formatting elements. So you can see I have talked to you earlier about the bold text and strong text, italic text, emphasis text. So how to see the mark text if you want to mark it. So I am doing this part as mark. Okay, mark text, I will take it as mark, and to this I will make it as marked. Okay, sorry, and now let's save it and check it what it happens. Okay, so see, type and scrambled is marked now. So this is how we can make our text as marked. And now we will see the marked text, small text, deleted text, inserted text, and subscript text and super subscript text. We will be doing all. So first let's do this as deleted text. I am taking this as deleted. Okay, let's give some space so that it will take automatically, and it is deleted tag. I will be using this particular part and cut it and paste it between here. And now save and see how it. So you can see the deleted part, it has been drawn with a line over it, and this is how we can do it, deleted part. And now we will see some subscript also. So to do this subscript, I'm generally giving a br over here, space, and I will take the subscript part, and before it I will be placing some text, like I'm taking a paragraph or something. Okay, and this is the paragraph, and over here I will be typing something, and just copy this sub part and within it paste it, and inside it I will place some numbers so that it will give you a power value. And now save it, and now let's check it. Okay, so see, it is a super subscript. Okay, subscript, sorry, it's a subscript, and now we will be using the super subscript the same way. Just a change I have to do it. I have to copy and let's paste it, and it is sup. Okay, now save it, and you can do it a super subscript now. Okay, it's generally the same. I will give you the actual, sorry, because over here it is sup tag should be used, and cut it and paste it under it. I will be removing this one. Let's save it, and now check it. So you can see this is a subscript now. If you cannot see it properly, I will be changing the font size. Okay, font size, and I will be doing it 50, and copy the same thing and paste it here. Okay, just a quote, and now save, and now move on and see it. So this is basically not working. Why? Let's check it why it's not working. Everything is correct. Yeah, let's save it, and so I have to do it at 50px, and other also 50px, and now let's check it. So you can see the changes now. It is a subscript, and this is a super subscript. This is how we can make up a super subscript and subscript part. And now to another thing, let's check the documentation. You can also give deleted text, small text, subscript, and inserted text also. Just I will show you the inserted text, how it works. So I will be giving some space, and now I will be showing the inserted text, ins, and before it I can give anything, hello, everything, save it, and now show you how it works. See, there is an underline. I will make it change the style and to get font size of 50px. okay. And now I will also change the text align part. I will do text align activate center. Now show you how. See, this is the link I have to, how it works. Okay, you have seen the inserted one, some more stuffs. So how to add the short quotations? Okay, so you can add short quotations simply by writing tag q and build a quotation in between. If I want to make this as a quotation part, so little bit space I will give and it q, okay, and inside it I will paste, I will cut this, sorry, I will be cutting this and paste it over here where it is. So here it is, and paste it. Simply see what it can do for you. See, you can little bit see some quotes over here, double quotes. It is printed under the double quotes, and here you can make some short quotations also. And you can also make some block quote also. Okay, so for that block quote, elements defines the section that is quoted for another source. It is basically the same which are used for short quotations also, but that thing will be in block letters. Okay, I will show you by this one. Okay, I am copying this thing from my website and now I will be pasting it. See, this is the what thing I have done, and save it and let's see it what it will be. So this is the block quote. Okay, you can see this is a block. I have to change this, I removing this color. Okay, now save and let's see. Okay, here it is. Now we will be doing some abbreviations. Abbreviations is the marking abbreviations which are useful for browsers and translation systems and search engines like Google, Bing. They give a very Google search rank to this, so we should use this. How we should do it? Just write ABBR tag. Just using the ABBR tag, we will be using an abbreviation or an acronym. Okay, so I am simply copying this text and pasting it here. Oh, sorry, in my text editor. Let's see, I am taking it BR again and paste it. Let's see what it does for us. So you can see this WHO was founded in 1948, and if you place it, you can hover before WHO, you can see this World Health Organization coming up. So this is basically the abbreviation. Sorry for the disturbance. Oh, there is. Okay, now I have to do the another thing. Let's see what we have left. So you can also add an address. So to do that, you can simply write address element and you can do this. I'm simply taking this one as this copy and paste it over here. Simply write address tag and write your address. I will be keeping it as style as text align as center, so that it is visible properly to you. And let's see this one. So you can see this text, this address over here. This is how you can use this. And now last part we have came, and the last thing we will talking about is the HTML bidirectional override. This is nothing but you can write your text either from left to right or from right to left. To do this, you can simply use the BDO tag. Okay, and it has a directional attribute. So I will be copying this and paste it over. Sorry, paste it over here. And now save it and let's see. So you can see this is written from left to right or right to left. So this is our text. This text will be written from right to left, and here it is written from right to left. And if you make this directional as left to right, I will make it left to right. Okay, and save it and now see it. This text will be written from right to left. Okay, that's the end of our topic, and I will be bringing the part 3 very soon. Okay, check out the part 3 part where we will be discussing some more attributes and elements of this HTML. And if you do like this video, do like it, and if you have any queries, please comment me in my comment box, and please subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching me. Take care. Bye bye. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर दें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे वीडियोस लाते रहूँगा।